Hello, boys and girls. Today you're going to be completing a story mountain. Remember, main characters travel along a story mountain. We practiced this when we read Because of Winn-Dixie and Peter's Chair. We have to expect that characters will face a problem, and that problem will get bigger and bigger until it reaches a turning point and eventually gets resolved. In Peter's Chair, his first problem was that he got in trouble to be quiet because his block tower fell and made a lot of noise while his baby sister was sleeping. The problem got even bigger when he noticed that his dad was painting all of his old furniture pink. His problem got even bigger when he decided to run away with his chair before his dad could paint that too. But then something happened. Peter reached a turning point when he realized he didn't even fit in his old chair, which led him to resolve his problem of jealousy with his new baby sister and actually help his dad to paint the chair for her too. As you think of Cinderella today, remember to follow her character up and down the story mountain. You want to track the character's problems and reactions to these problems. For example, Peter's problem of his dad painting the chair, his furniture pink, was to run away. Consider what roles the secondary characters play. In Peter's Chair, his parents were really challenging him as well as his baby sister. Notice how the characters tested during a story's climax. Peter was tested when he realized he didn't even fit in the chair. He had a choice to make. Was he going to continue to be jealous and hold on to the chair as a memory even though he couldn't use it anymore? Or was he going to do the right thing and share it with his sister? Notice how the character resolves his or her biggest problems. Peter returns home and decides he's going to help his dad to paint the furniture for his sister too. Determine what lessons the character learns. What lesson do you think Peter learned from this story? Remember, as you do your story mountain today, that you are doing the Cinderella version from the country you have been researching, not the Disney version. Have fun following your characters up the story mountain as their problems get bigger, reach their turning point, and start to resolve their problems.